What's up, guys? We're back here, Opera Omnia, and by now you probably know that you need to enhance your units using crystals to upgrade their strength. So, most people probably know this. You're farming the dungeons, you're doing the dailies, you're progressing your heroes, and you're, increasing your stats right here. But wait, you're actually not. You still need to equip these attributes that you are unlocking. So all you are doing right here is you are actually just unlocking these bonus abilities. It is so silly and so stupid, guys, but you do have to manually go in and actually equip these things. So we picked up 3 right there. Let's show you how you equip these things. Click on the tab there, click on your hero. So we're going to do Zidane here. And you go down to passive abilities. And you can see here are his passive abilities. And these ones that are not highlighted are the ones that are not equipped. So if you click on it, you're going to equip it. And look at the stats go up. Look at all this wasted bonus stats that we had. Crazy. That's madness, guys. They've manually forced you to come in here and equip these abilities. And so right now, 0 of 75. So nothing is equipped. Clicking them will equip them. So it's the other way. So when it's dark like that, it means it's equipped. You got the E there. The simple and easiest way to do this is to just simply hit the auto button, guys. Hit that auto button. That will equip all of your passives that you have available. So 16 of 75 in my case. That will make your character as strong as possible. This is crazy, guys. Gear and abilities. You need to equip those passive abilities. Alright, now you know. Don't make that little mistake anymore. I will talk to you guys later, guys. Thanks for watching.